My brother, show me love, oh. Oyama. When you see me, oh. Oyama. Spray me money, oh. Oyama, Oyama, Oyama.
Feels Mr. Producer.
My brother, show me love, oh. Oyama. When you see me, oh. Oyama. Spray me money, oh. Oyama, Oyama, Oyama. Cause when I am out, Oyama. I go show you love, oh. Oyama. I go spray you money, oh.
Dollar, pound sterling, my cheerful giver. Spray me dollar, pound sterling, you be my only sponsor. To make am for this life, brother, you need to hustle. And if you make am for this life, one day no be muscle. One a grace of God, if no be God, waiting I for you. I for don't lose my chilo. Cause they little go gaga. Okay, little kwa maka. Big tea kwa maka. You get neta kwa gana. Imana chikigwe. Ike kwa ba. Melo mi fi meli bemu go be ready mama.
My brother, show me love, oh. When you see me, oh. Spray me money, oh. Because when I am out, I go show you love, oh. I go spray you money, oh.
Spray me dollar, pound sterling, my cheerful giver. Spray me dollar, pound sterling, you be my only sponsor.
Alaye Timba Shile, Timba Lo, Timba Lola. I don't turn up, oh yeah, Totori baby, Totori baba, oh. When you hear the popo, carry the if life was a thing, the money could have buy you. Brother, the rich man go leave, oh, and the poor man go buy you. Shake you know the fly for now. Far beach water, know the dry. Brush your pocket, no go dry. Give me rubber, make I smile. My brother, show me love, oh. When you see me, oh. Spray me money, oh. Because when I am out, I go show you love, oh. I go spray you money, oh.
Spray me dollar, pound sterling.
Step up onto that, man, I'm gonna get up onto that. Man, I'm gonna get up onto that. Yeah, man, I'm gonna get wet up, stomp on that. Get up strong for that. Bust it, conk on that. What you talking about? I tell you, man, a make up song for that. Set up the nookie. She love it and she ate up the cookie. Take up the what? Wet up the pussy. I'm up to bat, all bets off, smash up your bookie. Back up the rookie, what? Prick, clap up your coffee. Big bad song for that. Big bad song.
Congratulations, you are turning 10 years old. May you continue to grow. And keep growing. Yeah. Getting better. Right. Dynamic. Increasing.
Ladies and gentlemen, introduces my 2017-2018 e-board. And all the members of You Are You Champion. This is 10 years in the making. This is the second game. Oh yeah, we need it. show me how to do. Listen to me. Say you want to do. Like I said, we're celebrating the second annual gala that the UIU Houston chapter has put on. And also we're celebrating 10 years of the UIU Houston chapter. Everybody please put their hands together for that right now.
And we're going to honor the American flag and the Nigerian flag. So we're going to go ahead and bring out United States Army Chief Warrant Officer Arinze Azuru Davis.
Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we watched, were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of the
Sing the national anthem, the Nigerian national anthem. Arise, oh, come, my tribe, Nigeria's call obey, to serve our Father slain, with love and strength and faith. The labor of our heroes past shall never be in vain. To serve with heart and mind, one nation bound in freedom, peace and unity. Thank you.
But she was about to be lit to cosmic all voices in the building. My boy Denise in the building.
Oh, I just so happen to be here.
Yes. We don't have any problem with that last people today.
We're gonna do the light skin policy, y'all.
My auntie, when I came here, she was the one that took care of us because my parents were not here. And she always asked us, because we're all boys, no, so, no, will you marry? I said, I'm too young. I won't marry. So she now knew, I can't really answer it. She turned to my brother who was of age and asked, okay, when will you marry? My brother saw that it was a tricky question. So he said, what? Auntie, Jesus did not marry. My auntie was taken aback by that good answer. What my auntie said after was funnier. Hey, okay. Jesus did not marry because what? They killed him. Wasn't he of age 33? Because what? He who has found a wife has found a good thing and has found favor in the Lord. Save this auntie. How many of you have super Christian moms?
Yeah.
No, it's all of you. Super Christian parents. Let's just not say mom, super Christian parents. Now I want to show you why my mom is a super Christian. I came home from Walmart and I brought flip-flops to the house. I left it on the floor and I went about my way. My mom came back and just started tripping. Who left these slippers here? No, so Azuka, Aki, okay, come downstairs. We all end up. Who left these flip-flops? I said, Mom, it's slippers. It's mine. We didn't glory on it. Walmart, didn't glory. Now, so what you're going to do for me, you're going to sweep this floor, you're going to mop it, because there will be no what? Faded glory in my house, in Jesus' name. My mom is so Christian. My brother was signing up for Facebook on his own. He got to that horoscope sign. He said, no, so I'm born July 11th. What am I? You're a Cancer. For most days. Who is a Cancer? There will be no HIV, no malaria, no pneumonia in this house, in Jesus' name.
I am asking you guys. All of Canada, Chineke Wenigwe, Chineke Wana, Chineke Teranine, Ziabia Madani, and Yebetele, Hawaran. And thank you all for those who have left but never gone. We'll redeem it with 5 pieces of money because there was supposed to be 5 coconuts. Please, as successful businessmen. I have $2.
This guy. Hey. This is your year now. It's your time to live it up. You're Eddie Murphy now. This is your royal oath. Let's live it up like you're talking guys. Listen, I'm saying the same thing. What are you living up? Listen, things are going well now. We thank God. Business is well. I'm doing successful. All of us are doing well. My parents are getting older now. But I'm richer than you. But now, it's time for me to have this game. It's time for me to stop playing. Be serious. And do what? Okay. You told this guy that I'm going to get married when I'm 60 years old. That's it. 60 years old. That's it. Seriously, bro? Really? No, I'm serious. Listen. I'm serious now. Hold on. My God. When you're choosing a wife now, you need to make sure that she's the one. She needs to be able to cook decent Egusi soup. That's it. If I was married, we have certain things. Okay. Wait now. What are the things that we need to confirm that? That's so. Okay. 1. She's one of you. Are you ready? I like that. 2. Okay. She must be from there. 3. Are you ready? Yes. She must know how to cook. That's a business. That will stop last 2 years. You want the money? What with this? Hey,
must be a woman of virtue.
Of course. Of course.
Understandable. A woman of virtue.
My friend, you look for an angel now. You see an angel?
No.
Don't be angel.
That's a very good point.
Come on now.
Hold on, that's a very good point. Number 5, the most important. She must be a virgin. I'll let you see. I'm telling you. I'm down.
Wait. I'm down. What if she's a virgin? How would you know how to do the thing?
I would say what you better say.
Now stop. Hey, naughty boy, come. I'm ready to propose. I know we're enjoying by this now. Please come help me. I'm ready, okay? Okay, let's go.
Excuse me, father. What do you mean? Let's go.
Remove yourself now.
Oh my goodness.
Oh God, come on. Hey, now just be Alex. I give him a job now. He touched women without permission. I stack him now. If I invite me for war, if I make everybody, who will also for street fight? Come on, my guy, if I had to come for you, if I had I don't vex too much, I just vex small. I come on gone. Come on the other one. I point and give my best friend. Bullet, come on. I don't invest this money. That's what you
Ifeanyi, you promised to be there forever. You left me so soon. Is this your definition of forever? Oh, please come back.
Whatever they're doing, with God as my witness, this is my vow. I promise to be the best friend I know how to be. Let me assure you that I will cater to your needs if you'll just be my queen. Day after day, joyful occasion after joyful occasion, trauma after trauma. With your hand in mine, I'll show you why you chose right. So take this ring. patiently waiting, and already yours. King.
The bullet missed Ifani's heart by inches.
Guess what? Ifani's alive. He's alive.
How you may do today? All the Nigerian husbands, all the faithful men in the building who are doing this for all of y'all. Yeah, okay. All All the fathers in the building, all the fathers who are doing it for every father. All the fathers make some noise right now. Come right out there, please. Happy Father's Day in advance. We do appreciate you guys. Y'all wow. Everybody knows the African dad. He has every proverb to make you feel stupid. I'm talking about proverbs that you don't even know the meaning to. A rolling stone never collects mud. I don't know what that means. Facts, right?
Facts. My favorite.
Go ahead.
The monkey that climbs to the tallest tree will bear fruits for another animal.
What is that? My dad. A man who sleeps on the floor can never fall out of bed. Why? Why? African parents, why?
No. The last person to wake is the first person to fail. Like, dang, what?
Love to dance. Omotola, baby love to dance. Aisha, baby love to dance. Ndaleti, baby love to dance. When she start to the dance, she dey cause the wahala. When she start to the dance, the voice in the wonder.
How old are you, Papa? How old are you?
I'm 55.
No, let me so that everybody will hear.
I'm 55.
At your age, how old is Dangote?
Every time you compare me to
No, are you talking under your breath?
I'm not talking.
Mommy, how many times do I have to call this woman? Mommy.
Yes, my son.
Mommy.
Can I sit down?
No, stand there. How many times did I Mommy, I don't get it. I don't get it. Every day rice, morning rice, afternoon rice, evening rice. The only thing that changes is the meat. Will you be rice? You are talking when I'm talking. You cannot cook lasagna.
Tanzania.
Not that lasagna.
Tanzania.
Lasagna, fajitas.
I made fufu.
Mommy, you can't tell me you don't know what lasagna is. You know what I want you to do? I want you to Google YouTube. Go on YouTube and learn how to cook lasagna. Yes. You know YouTube? If you know what's up, WhatsApp, what's up? You should know how to do YouTube. Because you'll be sending me all those long text messages on WhatsApp. If I count to 3, you better go and watch YouTube and learn how to cook lasagna. Sebabo. So your friend cannot greet. You cannot greet.
My boy, good evening.
Lie down on the floor and greet me. What are you talking about? Plank.
My boy, good evening.
So uncle, where do you work?
I work at Chevron and Shell.
Chevron and Shell, oil company. What do you do? You say Chevron and
Shell.
Shell.
Yes.
What do you do there?
I'm an engineer.
Engineer?
Yes.
If only my dad was an engineer. What type of engineering do you do?
Oh, it's a different one.
Oh, tell me about it. Educate me.
So for Chevron, I'm a janitorial engineer. And for Shell, I'm into custodial marketing.
Hold on. You're a janitor.
No, it's a different. We use chemicals.
Oh, you don't sweep, you vacuum. Okay. What am I doing here? Who gave you permission to watch TV? Sorry, my son. Sorry for yourself. Anyway, if you are allowed to watch TV today, Daddy, I have a visitor that I want to entertain upstairs. Do you have the golden wrapper? Condom. Because I have condom. Oh God.
This is my real body now. In my house. Hey. You have the guts to make him a lady.
What is doing me?
Lying on a condom in my house.
Hey, Mom, Dad, why y'all tripping? Before I close my eyes and open them, it's never possible. These children will tell somebody to a mad person in the house.
I know. You know, this will not happen. Why am I?
God forbid that.
As no prayer universe can.
What to do? Maybe that is very much.
You know what's going on.
When she come for the area, say all the man them Joe Ajo, all the boys down Kulugu, say let them dance to Kulugu. You feeling me, baby, while I'm golo. I'm the king of the Kunto, and they loving the way I do this angle. Yeah, I'm a kawaii and jogodo. Say that baby, come be mine now. I don't mind shit down. You know the days you don't take. I don't mind shit down. Say baby, give me your love. I don't mind shit down.